Hi, my name is Nakyah. I'm a senior studying computer science, and this is a day in my life. I'll wake up like around 5-ish and I go to hot yoga at Imbalance Studio. It's a time where I get to wake up and just have a moment for myself. And I always do it so early, so I get to go and have time before I go to class. I don't like to rush in the mornings. I think slow mornings means you'll have a really stable day. And then I have class around 11. Sometimes I'll go to office hours if they're open in between the time. The class I went to office hours for was systems. It's one of my computer science courses. And it's basically how well can you design algorithms once you understand the computer systems, your operating system. I also go and I do my lab work at Reach Lab in Gilbert. It's one of the human-computer interaction labs on campus that I was able to join. I'm an undergraduate researcher this semester, which means that I help a PhD mentor with their research. And this semester, I'm working on a project in the realm of techno-spirituality, which is how technology interacts with religious practices. I work in data analytics, so learning different ways to collect data on an academic standpoint really does help me in my actual job. My class after that is combinatorics, a math class about probability and statistics in graphs. So how do we build algorithms and how can we visualize that in graph format? When I have breaks, I like to bring my sketchbook and sketch around campus and stuff. And it's something that I do, again, like a mindfulness activity. I can carry it anywhere with me and just take a moment to breathe and create something really fun and colorful whenever I have a chance.
Well, hi everyone, my name is Nakyah. I am the president and founder of ColorStack.
ColorStack is a national organization meant for computer science students. And it's really helpful for me throughout my computer science journey to find an online community. So in February 2024, I found out the option to create a chapter at Tech, and I jumped at the opportunity. The next day, I was already getting emails from students on campus saying that they would love to join, and this was an opportunity we would really love. My role as president is to kind of lead the strategy of the club and give my board the tools to create and to thrive. We have a variety of different events. Currently in the fall, we usually do work prep or job search prep. So these are people who are actively searching for roles. We had a collaboration with this company called CoPath that does free certifications for computer science related skills for students. All Virginia Tech students have a guaranteed admission to any CoPath course. And that's really what our event was about, letting students know that this is available to them and explaining how this resource could help them while they're trying to get their degree. Currently, I'm a sales and marketing engineering intern for a company called ABB, which is a sustainable electrification company. Freshman year, I really wanted a job or opportunity, so I was applying to everything under the sun. And one day I got an email from Handshake from ABB saying write 150 words about sustainability, and you'll get to go on a 2-day, all expenses paid trip to Portland, Oregon. So I filled it out and I got to go with ABB to see a Formula E race. And through there, I got to learn about the company and different people. I do data analytics for the US Digital Portfolio team. I started last year, May 2024. And now when I graduate, I'll be working there full time as well. I really do enjoy leading. I've always been kind of a leader, even in elementary school. And I plan on doing that in my future. I'm actually working on launching a nonprofit right now, which I would be the co-founder of, maybe getting my MBA in the future so I can do more of those managerial types of roles.